Hey dance friends, I have a brand new absolute beginner dance called Pretty Pitbull. The track is Pretty Woman All Around the World by Azteck, Pitbull and Gabry Ponte. Let's go ahead and face this way. It's 32 counts, 4 walls, no tags or restarts, and if you've been following the beginner basic steps, then you should know all of these already. Here we go, leading with the right foot, you're gonna do 2 toe struts. Right toe, drop the heel, left toe, drop the heel. However, with those toe struts, you're going to do some hip bumps. So as I touch my right toe forward, I'm gonna bump my hip right, left, right, dropping the heel, and same with the left foot. Left, right, left. From here, you're gonna do 3 walks forward with a kick. Walk right, right, kick left. Got it? Let's try it once from the top. Here we go. 2 hip bumps. Right foot goes. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. Walk. 5, 6, 7. Kick 8. You're going to do 3 walks back. Left foot first. 1, 2, 3. Touch 4. And from here, you're going to do a V step. 5, 6, 7, 8. Halfway through the dance, let's try it from the beginning. Pretty Pitbull. Hip bumps. Ready and go. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. Walk. 5, 6, 7. Kick 8. Back. 1, 2, 3. Touch 4. V step. 6, 7, 8. Next 8 counts, you're going to do 3 quarter pivot turns. I'm going to step forward on my right foot, 1, quarter turn 2, forward on my right foot 3, quarter turn 4, forward on my right foot 5, quarter turn 6, cross my right foot over 7, kick your left foot to the left diagonal on count 8. So when you're doing those quarter hip turns, there's lots of different sections in the music. You can hit it different musically. I like to roll my hips for the most part. So you're gonna circle your hips counterclockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do what you like with your arms. 7, kick 8. Let's try it from the top, adding those 8 counts on. 2 hip bumps, go. 1 and 2. 3 walks forward. 5, 6, 7, kick 8. Back. 1, 2, then a V step for 5, 6, 3 quarter pivots, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, cross 7, kick 8. You're going to do a left behind side cross, 1 side 2, cross 3. You're going to hitch that right knee on 4. And I'm kind of squaring up to this 3 o'clock wall, which I was there anyway. Okay, so I kicked. I'm going to do behind side cross hitch. To finish the dance, you're going to do a jazz box. Right foot crosses, left foot steps back, right foot to the side, and your left foot's going to step forward. Ready to start again, shaking your butt. Got it? Come try it with some music if that's okay for you. I'm going to keep going. The link is down below for the music. I'm going to keep going and give you some more walls. Okay, we're going to go all the way around. Here we go. Once from the top, 2 hip bumps. Ready and go. 1 and 2, 3 walks forward. 5, 6, 7, kick 8. Back. 1, 2, 3, V step, 5, 6, 3 quarter pivots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, cross 7, kick 8 behind, 1, 2, 3, hitch jazz box, 5, 6, 7, 8. As we go around, I'm going to show you some styling. So if you like, shake your butt, you could take different levels of that. So you could go up and down and up, or any way you want to do that. 1 and 2. This is in the music when he sings walking down the street. So you really want to kind of make those walks sassy. Down the street, back it up. 1, 2. And this V step you could do nice and smooth with some hips. You could do like a chest pop. You could do raise the roof, whatever you like to add there. Same thing for your hip circles. We talked about that. Cross with a kick. Behind side cross with a hitch and a jazz box. I forgot to tell you, when you cross the right and kick the left, you're gonna say, woo, it says that in the music, okay. Hitch, jazz box, and you start again. Let's face the back, hips 1 and 2, 3 walks forward, 5, 6, back it up, 1, 2, V, step, 5, 6, circle around, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, cross 7, kick 8 behind, 1, 2, 3, jazz box, 1 more time. Here we go, woman, walking down the street, pretty woman. I'm a better dancer than a singer. Circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, cross 7, kick 8 behind, 1, 2, 3, hitch 4, 5, 6. You got it, Pretty Pitbull. Come and try it with some music. The link's down below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps my channel. Thanks, guys. Bye.